guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Mazda CX-9 and you have guys a common problem on those if you have coolant in your oil, stay with us guys and we're going to explain the top 2 reasons why you might have coolant in your oil. We guys took that engine completely apart. Even if it's the 3.5 or 3.7, the procedure will be the same. Now that's a Ford engine guys. As some of you know, this is actually a Ford engine. It's been used on many Ford vehicles and we have one completely taken apart. So let us explain you now, okay, what needs to be done. So the same engine, as I said, it's used in Ford Explorer, Ford Edge as well. Depending on what year, you might have 3.5 or 3.7. The only difference is the double, okay, the double variable timing shafts. However, not much different guys. But let us explain you now what we're talking about. Now, right here guys, okay, this is the engine. Now, there are 2 reasons why you might experience, okay, coolant in your oil. And number 1 guys is a bad coolant water pump. Okay, this is the pump now and let us explain you guys. Okay, this pump guys, okay, before we start, all the tools and parts guys that we use in the videos, including replacement parts and special tools, are listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. This pump right here is enclosed inside the engine, so you cannot see that thing on the outside. There is a timing cover here and I'm talking about this cover over there. And your pump, it's actually located right here, okay, behind that bump. You can see this is where the gear is, okay, but you cannot see anything. And when that pump fails, okay, it fails in 2 different ways. Either it starts dripping coolant from the shaft because there is a seal, or it starts dripping coolant from the gasket. Now, when it starts dripping coolant guys and fails, okay, that coolant instantaneously mixes it with oil because the timing chain is oil lubricated, so all that is just oil, and that oil guys drips directly into the oil pan. You can see. So if you definitely stop your car and you have a failed pump, your coolant will just directly drip in the oil pan. Now let me show you how easy that thing is to fail if you have a higher mileage engine. Okay, this is the pump itself. It has double seal. You can see double gasket, which is a great thinking, but eventually if it's a higher mileage vehicle, you can see that thing will turn flat. It will get really flat, burnt. It will not be like rubber, it will be more like plastic, and it will not seal good anymore. You can see ours got completely fried because that thing is exposed to triple heat. Heat from the engine, heat from the oil, heat from the coolant, so eventually it will fail. Now if you replace that thing guys, okay, get the whole timing chain kit, not just the pump itself, because you don't want to do that job again. Okay, because if you have to do that job again guys, all that takes so much time guys, okay, to do, so don't do it. Get everything and do everything at once. Now this is the special timing tool that you can find listed in the description of the video below that can be very helpful to you. So this is number 1 reason. Number 2 reason, it could be a bad head gasket. You have 2 of them, front and back. So head gasket is really hard to diagnose guys. We have a special video for that. If you want to see the whole pump replacement video for that Ford vehicle, that's the same as a Mazda, check it out. It's on the channel, okay, and in the description of the video below, so you can definitely check it out. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.